Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So originally I was gonna like call this clean with me vlog style, but because my house is literally upside down because I allowed myself to let one thing go and then it snowballed, and you know how that goes. So I'm gonna be cleaning, but I really wanted to share these DIY like house fresheners. The one is a linen spray and the other one is a pot simmer. I'm going to be cleaning too, but it's kind of like a mishmash of both of them. But I watched a video by, I'm going to put her name down below, and she inspired me to do this. So like the ingredients was totally her. I can't wait to try it because my house is gross right now. This is what happens when you leave the laundry undone. Why? Why? Kitchen table. You know, simple counter mess, kitchen counter. No excuse. Let's get the windows open. There we go. Get that clean, fresh air up in here. Whew. Then, as we're cleaning, let's get like some of the aromas going. You can use a candle if you have. I am going to do what she did in hers because I thought it was so cute. And I like to do this during seasonal times, but she made a simmer pot and she used sliced lemon, rosemary, and vanilla extract. But I am not a big fan of rosemary and I don't know how it is together, but I'm going to use sliced lemon, vanilla extract, and just like a cinnamon stick. But I'm not going to use cloves because then that's too holiday-like. So I have my lemon, my vanilla, and my cinnamon. I'm not going to use the entire lemon because I love lemon in this house and I'm going to need it. So now that the water is boiling, I'm going to lower it to a small simmer and we are going to throw in our lemons. And I'm going to first start with a half of a cinnamon because I don't want it to overpower. I want the lemon freshness and the vanilla to be a little bit more strong. A cinnamon clove. And then, I don't know how many drops she did, but I'm going to do just a little pour. Alright, so I'll see how it goes. If it's not enough, then I'll put the other half of the cinnamon in and then the rest of that lemon. So it's a little more potent. I'll let you know though if it works. And during the holiday season, I love to put in orange slice, cinnamon sticks, cloves, and sometimes apple with it. It's so good for the holiday season, but I didn't want it to smell like that. I wanted it to smell like fresh and citrusy and like warm. And now I'm gonna move on to this next DIY. So you're going to need a spray bottle. I picked up 2 of them because I wasn't sure which one would spray better. One goes up to 22 ounces, the other is a 16 ounce. The girl calls for a 15 ounce, so figure it out, you know. Rose essential oil, grapefruit essential oil, and bergamot essential oil. So those are the scents, and then you're gonna need a witch hazel that does have alcohol in it, not the alcohol-free one, and water. I will have the ounces and everything down below, the like measurements. 10 drops of rose, 30 drops of bergamot, 20 of grapefruit. That smells so good. 1/4 cup of witch hazel. Shake it up. I'm gonna use this on these. Just give them a nice. It's very fresh. You can smell the grapefruit. Okay, so I didn't make my bed fully, but I just want to spray my, I just did the sheets last night, but I want to spray the pillow. Let that dry. I would even spray this maybe on my rug after some baking soda. I don't have baking soda right now, so. And the couches. It's getting down to the bottom. I think maybe a whole lemon would be better. I smell a lot of the warmth and just like a slight bit of citrus. So I think a little more lemon would be perfect. Maybe even a drop of lemon essential oil work. So I'm gonna step outside and then come in here. See how it smells. I smell the warmer. I smell this. See my room. Yes, it smells very good in here. No candles are lit and just the windows are open, so I recommend. So that's it for this video. I know it was really short. I didn't clean my whole entire house. I'm gonna get to it. I don't want to film all of it. It's gonna be way too long, but just know I'm doing it. And give these DIYs a try. If you have any other suggestions, comment below. I also like to put dryer sheets, like the linen ones, in my drawers, and like 1 or 2. So that when you open it, you can smell it. That I've been doing lately. Any other tips, comment below, would be great. Love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Subscribe if you're not already. Ciao!